Hello, my name is McKenzie Friend and welcome to Family Court Conversations with Everyman Justice. I started working as a McKenzie Friend after my own family breakdown. Like many people, I suddenly had to understand how the family court system works in England and Wales. At the beginning, it was confusing. There was a lot of information, some helpful, some misleading, and it took time to understand what really matters. I quickly realized something important. You can hire a solicitor or barrister, and in many cases, they can be very helpful. But at the end of the day, it is still your family, your child, your future, and your case. Nobody else will ever know your situation in the same way you do. That is why I felt I needed to understand the process properly and become as prepared as possible. As I learned more, I realized that many other people were in the same position. They were frightened, confused, and unsure where to turn. Many were litigants in person, some could not afford full legal representation. Some were from immigrant or foreign backgrounds and found the UK family court system especially difficult to understand. People from my own community and background started asking me questions. They wanted to know what Cafcass means, what a Section 7 report is, how to prepare for a hearing, what documents matter, and how to stay calm when everything feels personal and overwhelming. That is one of the reasons I created Everyman Justice. My aim was to provide practical McKenzie Friend and family court preparation support, especially for ordinary people who need clearer guidance, more confidence, and a better understanding of the process. Over time, I have also realized that family court support is not only about one profession. Some people need a solicitor, some need a barrister. Some may benefit from a divorce coach, a life coach, a therapist, mediation, citizens advice, domestic abuse support, a parenting professional, or a McKenzie friend. The right support depends on the person, the case, the risks, and the stage of the process. That is why I am starting this podcast. Family Court Conversations is not here to pretend that one type of support is the answer to everything. My aim is to create a roundtable where different people involved in family justice and family support can share their experience, explain what they do, and help listeners understand the bigger picture. In future episodes, I hope to speak with McKenzie friends, solicitors, barristers, divorce coaches, mediators, therapists, domestic abuse professionals, independent social workers, and if possible, people with experience of Cafcass or the court system. The goal is simple: to help parents and families understand their options before they feel lost. This podcast is for general information and practical discussion only. It is not legal advice and every case is different. Thank you for listening to Family Court Conversations with Everyman Justice. I hope this becomes a useful space for honest, practical, and respectful conversations about family court and the people trying to navigate it.